show you how to make your eyelashes much longer, even if you have short eyelashes. So today I'm going to teach you some little tiny tricks how to make your eyelashes to look long. So I'm using today this mascara, and it's Philosophy. A wink is playful, a look is divine. So I don't have any mascara right now. Absolutely none. So I'm gonna apply right now a first layer, and we'll see how it goes. So don't put too much first layer and let it dry like for, let's say, 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're gonna wait, and then we're gonna apply second layer. So, and we'll see how it will look. It will look beautiful. And yes, it's really nice when girls apply mascara. It's just beautiful. I don't know how anybody can go outside without putting any makeup. Because women absolutely should wear makeup, and that's why woman is a woman and a girl is a girl. Okay, 1 minute passed by, and I'm going to apply the second layer, and we'll see how it will look. It looks absolutely beautiful. So let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see. Even you can see the shadow right here of the long eyelashes, and it is beautiful. So the trick is you have to put 3 layers, apply three layers, and each layer have to dry for 1 minute between, and then you apply another one and another one. So that's the trick to long eyelashes. Right now you can see it. That's the eyelashes, and it's all natural. The only thing I did, apply the mascara and that's all I did to it. I don't have fake eyelashes on me. So I hope you guys like this video, and you can subscribe and put likes, and I hope you guys gonna ask me more questions about makeup. I'll show you on my next video how to apply makeup on your face. Actually, it's gonna be L'Oreal makeup. This one, I'm going to apply this, and right now I don't have any makeup on my face, so on my next video that's what I'm going to show you. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and put likes, and whatever comments you wanna talk to me, I'm ready to talk to you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye guys.